Hi, I thought I'd show you my Winter Sowing Assembly Station this year. It's January 2023. I'm in Southern California, Zone 9B, and this is my winter sowing in January, February that I can do for all my spring and summer plants. We can also jug sow late summer and all through September, October, November. We jug sow all pretty much most of the year. The only times I don't do it is in the dead heat of the summer from like March till August. So anyway, this is my January run. And I have a couple other videos that I've done showing you my winter sowing stations. And it's kind of fun just to see how it's evolved over the years. And I'll have those links down below for you. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends. If they're wanting to know about winter sowing, now is the time. And hit that notification bell so you can see future videos. So I'm going to show you, I'm in a different place this year. The last 2-3 years, I've done it on the other side of my house over by my big veg garden. And then I have to bring them all back around to the house to plant them in different ways. And this time I'm doing them outside my kitchen. I'm going to turn it around so you can see. So here's my kitchen door. Some of you have seen my back patio. This is the walkway, weed-filled walkway to my back. Oh, that pipe it's an orange shoot that fell off. Anyway, so I'm right outside my kitchen. And here's my station that I'm going to show you everything. And I'll just give you a quick view of my patio garden. So I have my big veg gardens on the other side of the house, but this is my patio garden. I'm in constant state of rebuilding and adding and changing. Just a little quick peek, and then down here, got my barbecue, and then it ends right there, and that's the stairway that go up to the back where the pool and all the succulents and fruit trees are. Some more fruit trees are up there. So that is my patio. And here's my station. Usually I use my big white tables, my Sam's Club plastic tables, but I've got a lot of stuff growing on there, and I just like this little sweet table. And I've got I'll just go through the items that I have at my station, and I've got gloves on because I got to cut. My last year's dirty, unwashed, unrinsed jugs. I do not even wash them or rinse them anymore. And I have a whole ton of them in the other veg garden, and I just keep bringing them over a bag at a time. And then I've got my soil right here in a tub, my Happy Frog over there. I've got a couple bags around the corner, and I emptied it and I filled this up and soaked it with water. I got my hose right there if I need it, if it dries out. Sorry I got shade, but it's never a good time of day. So this is my just straight organic premium mix. You can use any premium mix you want. You can use anything you want. But we recommend the first year using a quality, high premium, organic if you can, potting mix so you can get the best success. And if you're a seasoned gardener and you like to make your own soil, down the road, absolutely do that if you want to. I can make my own soil, but I still prefer for the first run for these jugs, I like my potting mix, my Happy Frog from Source Naturals, and they also have Ocean Forest, which is really good too. So then I've already loaded these up with the very wet soil. And I'm just stacking them here. I like to do it like in like a mass production. So, and since this table's smaller, I've only got about 10 or 12 jugs out here. I've got my duct tape. I've got a little dish that I like to put each one in, and I've got my marking pen in case I need it. But I just did a video on how I've changed my labeling up this year. I'm doing them all inside, and it's called my labeling hack, and I'll have that video linked below for you too. So I just bring them out with the labels already done, nice and clean. And then I've got, I couldn't find my little watering jug, so I just got a bottle of water, because once you get the seeds all in, and I've got my spray bottle, you want to definitely spray right around where you put the seeds. Even though the soil's wet, you want to spray it. And then sometimes I want extra, like it's really drying out and I want extra water in it, so I always keep that right there. And I usually keep a pair of scissors, and I don't have those out yet. I think that's it. My music, my electrolytes, because it's hot here. And then what I'll do is once I put the seeds in, close them up. Here, and this time of year going into spring, I will do partial tape. And those of you who've seen, I'll do another video on that. There's 3 differences in winter sowing in hot climates. And one of the differences is you can do partial tape. You can do full tape, but I like to let a little breeze in there. Still makes that nice moist greenhouse effect because it's so hot here. We're only in about the 60s right now, but it'll get real hot real fast. And so then I will just move them. I'm going to assembly line them. I think I'm going to put them down. I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to line them along the path right there because I don't have all the table space back here. But I love it being by my kitchen. And kind of the reason why I did it was like I said, the veg garden's on the far other hike across the property. And I don't always remember to water. So if I've got this right now outside my kitchen, I'm going to remember watering. I think that's it. Make sure you go down in the comment section and let me know what you use, and me and everybody know what you use at your winter sowing station. See if there's any good items that you use that we might all improve our stations with. So that's my winter sowing for this year. Thanks so much for joining me. Sending you much love from my garden to yours. Bye-bye.